I had somebody comment in the comments that they wanted to know how I run power to my trailer, because this trailer takes power to make the ramp go up, the EZ-4, and go down. Well, a lot of times these batteries don't get charged properly. All right, so what I did was, you can get these tow truck batteries. I'm sorry, not tow truck batteries. These tow truck jumpers on eBay or Amazon. So this is one half of it. This I have running to my battery. And whenever I stop somewhere, I pull this out and I plug it into my truck. I have this one running all the way down the frame of my truck, all the way to the battery. So while my truck is sitting there running, I got power at the back. And that's how I raise my ramps up and down. I mean, these trucks, you know, they just don't charge batteries that great through the pigtail. So that's how I do it, fellas. And this is on the EZ-4, but I did this on my 3 car also. Also for the winch. That's the battery for the winch right there. Same setup. I just run the jumpers to this if the winch starts to go dead, and run it that way. All right. So you get this on eBay. I think it was like I don't know, the tow truck jumper cables were like, I think they were 90 bucks, maybe 120 bucks, something like that, but they're long. So there it is. All right, hit that like button and subscribe. If you have any more questions about how I run power to my trailer, just hit me up. Thanks.